Investment potential or 7 benefits of investing in Rivne Oblast. Benefit 1. Favorable geographical location. Rivne Oblast is a constituent part of the northwestern Ukraine. It is not an overstatement to say that its geographical location is very favorable. The oblast is located at the intersection of international highways E373, E40, E85. Rivne Oblast also has highways and railways which connect Europe and Asia, Black Sea countries and Baltic countries. Other territorial benefits include its closeness to the European Union border, 100 km, and to the city of Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine, 250 km. The total length of general-purpose railways in the oblast is 587 km. Railway junction stations in Zdolbuniv and Sarny are one of the biggest in the western part of Ukraine. Rivne International Airport has its own customs and border control. The airport handles chartered flights and is designed to handle aircraft of all types with takeoff weight up to 210 tons. Benefit 2. Significant production capabilities and considerable prospects for development. Industrial potential in the oblast is determined by power industry, represented by Rivne NPP, with the output of more than 7% of all the electric power produced in Ukraine. Chemical industry, with Rivne Azot Public Joint Stock Company, which produces about 10% of all chemical fertilizers in Ukraine. Production of construction materials and glassware. The leading enterprises operating in this field include Volyn Cement Public Joint Stock Company, ranked among top 5 cement producers in Ukraine, and 3 largest and most powerful glass-producing companies in Ukraine. Diversified food industry. The companies within the woodworking and furniture industry are mostly foreign invested enterprises. They produce laminated chipboard, a quarter of total production in Ukraine; high-quality waterproof plywood, 2/3 of total production in Ukraine. The oblast comprises operating companies in such business sectors as engineering, consumer products, and mining, well known far beyond its borders. The most considerable part of the industrial potential is concentrated in the regional center and nearby, in the city of Kuznetsovsk, as well as in Kostopil and Zdolbuniv rayons. Rivne Oblast is an important sugar beet, potato, and milk producer, accounting for 6% of the total sugar beet and potato production and 4% of milk production. Cereal production in Rivne exceeds regional demand by 25%, sugar by 50%, and potato by 40%. Consequently, the issue of selling and processing agricultural products, as well as the infrastructure development and investment attraction, is extremely important for the region. Benefit 3. Significant resource potential. Rivne Oblast is the region with large forests and water resources. Forests cover an outstanding share of the region with standing timber reserves of 112.8 million cubic meters. Nowadays, raw material potential of Rivne includes a great number of explored mineral deposits, which contain 18 types of minerals. Amber deposit of industrial significance, which is the only deposit of this type in Ukraine. Unique basalt deposits, suitable for manufacturing rubble and crushed stone products, architectural and facing materials, as well as for basalt fiber and mineral wool production. Deposits of granite, diorite and gabbro. In fact, the distance between those deposits and the border with European Union countries is the shortest. The oblast is also proud of its significant peat reserves. About 20% of the Ukrainian peat is located in this area. Water resources are mainly presented by fresh and mineral water. Freshwater supply per capita is 2.5 times higher than the Ukrainian average. Benefit 4. Highly skilled workforce and a significant scientific potential. Rivne Oblast is one of the 3 regions in Ukraine with a constant population growth rate. The number of employed population is about 490,000. 25% of them work in trade, 20% in agriculture, 15% in industry, 10% in education. According to International Labour Organization report, unemployment rate is 10.1%. Average salary in the oblast is $300. It is worth noting that 25% of Rivne Oblast inhabitants have higher education, 44% obtained technical and professional qualifications. In total, the region has 24 technical schools. Annually, 5,000 professionals graduate from 33 higher educational establishments. It's also worth mentioning that 2 universities located in Rivne Oblast have national status. These are the National University of Water Management and Natural Resources Use and the National University Ostroh Academy. Benefit 5. Properly executed paperwork for land plots and available and active production sites which can attract potential investors. Industrial Park of Rivne Oblast. The Industrial Park of Rivne Oblast is to be located on the site with a total area of 145 hectares. The National Transport Corridor M21 Rivne-Stolin, Belarus runs along the site. The distance from the site to Rivne is 15 kilometers, to Kostopil 10 kilometers. The nearest railway station is located in the village of Lubomirka at the distance of 2 kilometers. A draft land use project has already been approved. The territory of the industrial park belongs to industrial land. The industrial park has got communications and infrastructure to open new manufacturing facilities. There are power lines with 110 kilowatts voltage and a gas pipeline next to the object. The land plot is within a 25-30-minute drive from Rivne or Kostopil. The total population within a 30 kilometers radius is about 350,000. Industrial zones and other estates. The oblast has 5 industrial estates or land plots which may be provided for potential investors in order to implement industrial investment projects. 45 hectares in the city of Dubno, 32 hectares in the town of Dubrovica, 26 hectares on the territory of Nemovici Village Council, Sarny Rayon, 11 hectares on the territory of Horupan Village Council of Mliniv Rayon. The private industrial park Rivne Selimash provides more than 40 hectares of industrial land for a wide range of investment purposes. The availability of the existing operational capacities of the enterprise producing upholstered furniture for export is a prerequisite for the implementation of investment projects. One more powerful object is Rivne International Airport, with a total area of about 165 hectares. The airport aerodrome has a runway which is 2,626 meters long and 42 meters wide. The aerodrome is suitable for accommodating aircrafts with a loading of 210 tons. The airport has a maximum capacity of about 500 passengers per hour. The airport is located 2 kilometers far from Rivne. The airport is close to the international highway E40 and a large railway junction located in the city of Zdolbuniv. The airport can be further modernized and developed. In particular, it is possible to build additional platforms for aircrafts and modern transport terminals for baggage handling facilities on its territory. The location of the airport and its technical features are perfect to create a transport and logistics hub for passenger and cargo services. Moreover, in the nearest future, there will be a new wholesale market near the international airport, which is under construction now. Benefit 6. International recognition. In 2006-2007, Rivne Oblast and the city of Rivne scored number 1 in the cost-effectiveness of investment category in FDI magazine's European City of the Future. In FDI magazine's European City of the Future 2012-2013, Rivne is still among 4 Ukrainian microcities with a population up to 250,000 inhabitants, which took highest spots on the top 10 most cost-effective microcities list. Rivne Oblast has long traditions of fruitful cooperation with foreign investors from many countries. Successful activity of investors on the territory of the region proves business-friendly environment and favorable business conditions of Rivne Oblast. The top 5 nations investing in Rivne Oblast include Germany 25%, Great Britain 21%, the USA 13%, Cyprus 9%, and Italy 7%. Benefit 7. Comprehensive investor support program of Rivne Oblast throughout the investment life cycle. Local authorities fully support businesses at every stage of investment life cycle. The Department of Economic Development and Trade of Rivne Regional State Administration coordinates this field. Regional Investment Promotion Agency Invest in Rivne and Rivne Regional Center on Investment and Development work under the single window principle in the oblast. Investment attraction is one of the key priorities of the economic development strategy implemented by the local authorities. The investment attraction agenda is focused on encouraging and attracting investment opportunities to the Rivne Oblast. The aim of the regional government is to help broaden the economic base, increase the region's international competitiveness, and promote Rivne Oblast as a good place to invest and supporting investment confidence. That's why local government here is a foreign investors' partner who provides comprehensive support throughout the project implementation process. Thank you for your attention. Regional authorities are open for cooperation. Department of Economic Development and Trade of Rivne Regional State Administration.